Life with Mayor. Today I'll be making an easy no-bake Oreo cheesecake, and I know you guys have been waiting for this recipe because you've told me, so keep watching to see how I make it. For this recipe, you guys can use a 9-inch springform pan, or if you don't have one like myself, you can also use these pie tins right here, and it does make quite a bit of filling, so you can make possibly 2 of them. So we're gonna see how many it makes, but I think it's gonna be making about 2 of these smaller cheesecake pie tins. So another little tip before making the cheesecake is you wanna make sure that your cream cheese is cool to room temperature so that it doesn't make a lumpy filling. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is make our crust. So in order to do that, I'm taking 24 Oreo cookies and I'm gonna put them into my blender, and I'm gonna make sure that they're finely chopped. Once your crumbs are nice and finely chopped with your food processor or your blender, you're gonna add it to a bowl. Then you're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of melted butter into the fine Oreo crumbs, and you're gonna mix it well. You're then gonna place it at the bottom of your pan and press it down firmly. Looks like it's actually only going to be enough crust just for one of the pie tins. So you're going to make sure and press it in really firmly all the way to the bottom. And once it's nice and packed down, you put it into the fridge and make sure it's cool. So now we're going to move on to making the filling. And for the filling, you're going to need 16 ounces of cream cheese, which is about 3 containers of 227 gram of cream cheese. You're also gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you're also gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So the first thing I'm doing is putting the cream cheese into a large bowl, and I'm gonna beat that with the hand blender until smooth. Add my powdered sugar and mix that up as well as my vanilla extract. Separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream and pour that right in. And I'm gonna use my blender once again and use it on low. And then I'm gonna increase it to medium high. Whipping cream to be very thick, so around this consistency right here. I'm now gonna fold in the whipping cream into the cream cheese mixture. So once your mixture is nice and thick, just like this, it's sort of like a whipped cream consistency, you're gonna add 15 chopped Oreos right into the mixture, and you're gonna gently fold that in. So now that your filling is done, you're gonna take your crust out of your fridge and you're gonna start filling in your cheesecake, just like this. And this does make actually quite a bit of filling. So I think I would have been better off actually doubling up on the pie crust, but I didn't have enough Oreos. But I'm just gonna load up this right here, right now. And spread it nice and evenly. Okay guys, so here is what the cheesecake looks like. I'm gonna add the 6 Oreos that I've chopped as well right on top to make it a topping. Okay guys, so we had way too much filling, like I said, so I definitely recommend getting a spring foam pan instead of these small pie pans, because there definitely was a lot of filling. So my eldest son actually had an idea to fill these cups up with the cheesecake mixture, so there'll be like little mini cheesecakes inside the cups, and they just wouldn't have the crust. I'm now gonna add the cheesecakes to the fridge, and you should refrigerate them for at least 4 to 5 hours, or if not, overnight is probably best. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I want to thank you as well for watching this video. I hope that you'll take the opportunity now that you've seen how to make the Oreo cheesecake and try it at home as well. But if you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care guys.